The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Denver Police Department. Residents of Denver, return home immediately and stay out of the public. There have been many reports of a suspect roaming around the city, robbing banks and other places, breaking into people's houses, and assaulting residents. The individual's description is currently unknown at this time. All residents in Denver and surrounding areas should stay at home with all windows and doors locked. If anyone tries to break into your home, either hide or protect yourself with any weapons. Stay tuned to the station for more information and updates as it becomes available. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Denver Police Department. The suspect that was spotted about 15 minutes ago has been partially identified. The suspect is a white male, around 10 years of age. He can be seen wearing a red jacket, brown pants, black shoes, yellow mittens, and a blue and yellow beanie. If you see anyone matching the description of the suspect, dial 911 and report the location of the suspect. Stay tuned to the station for more information as it becomes available.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Denver Police Department. The suspect has now been fully identified. The suspect is identified as 10-year-old Eric Hartman. He is a white male, standing at around 4 feet 2 inches tall, weighing at 120 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a red jacket, brown pants, black shoes, yellow mittens, and a blue and yellow beanie. Not to mention he is also fat. Seriously, he can even run. Anyways, if you see Eric, do not approach him as he is armed and dangerous. Instead, call your local police department and report his location. Stay tuned to the station for more information and updates as it becomes available.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Denver Police Department. Police are looking for 3 children that have been abducted. The first child is Kyle Broflovsky, a white male, 10 years old, standing at around 4 feet 2 inches tall, weighing at 83 pounds, with red hair and green eyes. He was last seen wearing an orange jacket, dark green pants, black shoes, lime green mittens, and a green Asheka. The second child is Stanley Marsh, a white male, 10 years old, standing at 4 feet 2 inches tall, weighing at 86 pounds, with black hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a brown jacket, blue pants, black shoes, red mittens, and a blue and red beanie. The third child is Kenneth McCormick, a white male, 9 years old, standing at 4 feet 2 inches tall, weighing at 79 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing an orange parka with the hood up, orange pants, orange mittens, and black shoes. They were believed to be abducted by Eric Hartman. Eric and the 3 boys are actually friends and have had a conflict recently. If you see Eric or the 3 boys, dial 911 and report their location. Stay tuned to this station for more information as it becomes available.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the Denver Police Department. Eric Hartman continues to commit crimes in Denver and surrounding areas, and is now beginning to kill people. He is using a butcher knife and a gun to kill his victims. The 3 missing children that were mentioned earlier were found safe in a nearby gas station. They were returned safely to their homes. All residents should begin to shelter in place, lock all door and windows, maybe barricade them too, go into an interior room with little to no windows, take supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toiletries, phones, chargers, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. If you come in contact with Eric Hartman, run away as fast as you can. Although your chances of escaping are pretty good, because the fat ass can't even run for shit. Stay tuned to this station for more information and updates as it becomes available.
Hello, and welcome to a random news station. Currently, a guy named Eric Hartman is causing chaos here in Denver. He has abducted 3 children, but they were all found safe. He is now beginning to kill people. Surprisingly, he hasn't killed a lot of people, mainly because of his stupidity and his inability to run. All residents of Denver are strongly advised to remain hidden from the public, as Eric is armed and extremely dangerous. Wait a minute, what is that outside? Oh shit, it's Eric. I need to get out of here. Stay safe, everyone.
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a fire warning for all of Denver until further notice. Eric Hartman has started a fire nearby and the fire is spreading rapidly. All residents are strongly advised to evacuate Denver immediately. Take supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toiletries, phones, chargers, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered door hand. Crank radio with extra batteries. Tie a white or bright-colored towel to your mailbox or doorknob. This will let authorities know that you have followed the evacuation procedures. Stay tuned to this station for more information about this dangerous situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Eric Hartman has messed with the local power plant and it has a high chance of melting down. All residents within a 10-mile radius of the power plant are advised to evacuate from their current location immediately. Take all the necessary supplies, and tie a white or bright-colored towel to your mailbox or doorknob to let authorities know you have followed the evacuation procedures. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this life-threatening situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Denver Police Department. The power plant has been fixed, and Eric Hartman was taken into custody. Finally, that fat ass is gone. Anyways, all residents are now free to return home and continue with your daily lives. The government thanks you for your cooperation. All normal programming may now resume.